What is 1099 NEC form? The 1099 NEC form specially reports non-employees compensation, which you may have previously gotten on a 1099 MISC. So if you have worked as a freelancer or contractor last year, you probably got a 1099 NEC reporting how much money an employer paid you. The thing with being self-employed is that taxes aren't withheld from your paycheck. So now that you're filing your return, you will have to pay the Social Security and Medicare taxes on that income. We will calculate all of that for you and include any taxes you might have paid already. To enter your 1099 NEC forms, search for 1099 NEC and select the link. Continue through the screens and enter the information as it appears on your form. It will ask you a few questions and help you through entering any expenses you might have, so that you will be able to reduce your taxable income. So that's it, and this is the end of the video. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.